Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Wix with Klarna in 2026. Offering flexible payment options increases conversions, and Klarna is one of the best. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to integrate Wix with Klarna in 2026 step by step. The first thing you want to do is to check Klarna's availability. Klarna's availability depends on your country, so make sure your Wix store location is supported. You're going to go to the website here and you're going to look for your country here. Once you find it, the second step is to open the Wix payment settings. You're going to log into your Wix dashboard, then you're going to go to the settings and you're going to look for the payment section right here. We're going to click on the in this right here, in this finance and payments. Click on search payments, and after that, you're going to select Klarna from the payment providers. Once you find it, then you're going to connect or create a Klarna merchant account, then complete the business verification. The first thing you can do is to test the integration. You can add a product to the cart and go to the checkout and confirm Klarna appears as a payment option. Once it appears like a payment option, make sure to clearly display pay later messaging and test the checkout on mobile and desktop. And also you have to know this Klarna boosts average order value. And that's it. That's how you integrate Wix with Klarna in 2026 and offer a flexible payment that converts better. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.